When your back feels stiff, your hips are tight, and your mornings feel more like survival than a fresh start, it's hard to feel grounded in your own body. But movement, slow, intentional, nourishing movement, can flip that switch in just 5 minutes. Let's hit the mat. This first move is your gentle return to flow. When you're overwhelmed, your breath gets shallow and your spine locks up. Let's change that. Start on all fours, hands under shoulders, knees under hips. Inhale, arch your spine, lift your chest. Exhale, round through your back and tuck your chin. Move slowly, matching each breath to each motion. I promise this move is how you unlock your nervous system and melt into your breath. Beginners, keep the movement small. Advanced, deepen the arch and tuck. We're just getting started. Next one opens you up even more. Now that your back's loose, let's open your hips. This one wakes up your legs and resets your entire lower body. If your hips feel stuck and your hamstrings are yelling at you every morning, this is the one. Start standing with feet shoulder width apart. Fall down and grab your toes, then gently drop into a deep squat, lifting your chest. Hold, then straighten your legs again. Feel that stretch and repeat. I promise this move is how you unlock your hips, ankles, and hamstrings all at once. Beginners, keep your heels lifted. Advanced, pause longer in each position. Do you feel that in the backs of your legs yet? Now that you're warmed up, let's add a twist. Let's bring some fire into your core and hips. This twist helps wring out tension and bring your energy up. Step your right foot forward into a low lunge, place your left hand on the floor, and then lift your right arm toward the sky. Breathe into the stretch, lengthen through your spine. I promise this move is how you unlock spinal mobility and inner strength. Beginners, keep the back knee on the mat. Advanced, lift it for more intensity. Hold for 5 more seconds, then switch. Now, let's twist the other side and balance it out. This side reveals imbalances you didn't even know were there. One side might feel tighter, that's okay. Just meet your body where it is. Step your left foot forward and place your right hand on the mat and reach your left arm high. Breathe, let the twist come from your spine, not your shoulders. I promise this move is how you unlock deeper mobility and restore balance. Beginners, rest the back knee. Advanced, tuck the back toes and press through the heel. Every breath here is a reset for your core. You've done the hard part, let's open up your posture now. Let's make this last one your strongest hold yet. If you've curled forward over phones or desks, this will feel like a full body exhale. Interlace your fingers behind your back, roll your shoulders down and back as you pull your knuckles down and lift your chest. Breathe deep into the front of your body. This is your reminder to take up space. I promise this move is how you unlock confidence and calm. Beginners, use a towel to bridge the hands. Advanced, fold forward while keeping arms lifted. You've come this far. Stay with me. We finished grounded and strong. Now let's wrap it all together with one final stretch. This is your full body exhale. It ties your upper and lower body together, calming, lengthening, grounding. Stand tall with feet wide apart. Hinge at the hips and reach toward your toes, alternating sides or holding the center. Let your head hang heavy. Soften your knees if needed. I promise this move is how you unlock backline tension and full body balance. Beginners, bend your knees. Advanced, keep legs straight and reach deeper. Hold for 5 more seconds, let it all go. And just like that, you've reset your entire system.